Men, it seems, are not the only ones who enjoy lifting weights. Nowadays, you're just as likely to see women in the gym, squatting, benching, and deadlifting. The women weightlifters movement is now very much established, and we think that's awesome. That's why we've compiled these workout routines for women to help them on their fitness journey. Years ago, if you walked into a gym, more often than not, the sight you would be greeted with would be a weight room full of men, and a cardio room full of women. Women were generally advised to stay away from weights as it was wrongly believed that lifting weights would turn them into hulking she-beasts. As research was conducted, and as common sense began to prevail, people found that lifting weights as a woman would not cause you to add 50 pounds of muscle to your frame overnight. In fact, it was found that resistance training provided a shapelier, curvier, leaner, more defined physique than one which could be attained through cardio alone. That's why today, we are going to be looking at 5-day workout plans for women to get strong and toned. If you're a woman who is looking to get bigger, stronger, and more toned, the following routine is perfect. Resistance training, also known as strength training, is an essential component of any fitness routine, especially for your upper body. And, despite what some people may tell you, it won't give you huge, oversized, bulging muscles. In fact, regularly working out muscles in your arms, back, chest, and shoulders is vital to keeping your upper body strong and giving your muscles definition. If you're a woman, the benefits of strength training extend far beyond toned, defined muscles. According to Rebecca Miller, MS, CSCS, NASMCPT, founder of Iron Fit Performance, building strength in your upper body not only makes daily tasks easier to perform, but it also helps to ward off osteoporosis and improves posture. And the best part? You can perform resistance training exercises in the comfort of your own home. To help you get started on toning your upper body, we've rounded up some of the best exercises you can do anywhere, anytime, with just basic equipment. Getting started strength training at home is pretty simple. The equipment you need includes an exercise mat, a few resistance bands of different strengths, 2 or 3 sets of dumbbells that are different weights. Warm up first. The easiest and most effective way to prepare your body for a workout is to warm up first by doing exercises that increase your circulation and target the muscles you'll be working. For an upper body workout, this could mean doing arm circles, windmills, arm swings, and spinal rotations. Also, performing light cardio movements such as walking or jogging in place can boost your heart rate and get your blood flowing. According to the American Council on Exercise, it takes an average of 8 to 12 minutes to fully warm up. Once you've warmed up, you can start focusing on specific exercises for your arms, back, chest, and shoulders. Arm exercises. 1. Dumbbell curls. Targets: biceps. Stand or sit with a dumbbell in each hand, arms at your side, feet shoulder width apart. Keep your elbows close to your torso and rotate the dumbbells so the palms of your hands are facing your body. This is your starting position. Take a deep breath and when you exhale, curl the weights upward while contracting your biceps. Pause at the top of the curl, then lower to the starting position. Repeat 10 to 15 times. Perform 2 to 3 sets. 2. Triceps kickback targets. Triceps stand with a dumbbell in each hand, palms facing in toward each other. Keep your knees slightly bent, keeping your spine straight. Hinge forward at your waist so your torso is almost parallel to the floor. Engage your core. Keep your head in line with your spine, upper arms close to your body, and your forearms bent forward. As you exhale, hold your upper arms still while you straighten your elbows by pushing your forearms backward and engaging your triceps. Pause, then inhale and return to the starting position. Repeat 10 to 15 times. Perform 2 to 3 sets. 3. Triceps dip. Sit on a sturdy chair. Place your arms at your sides and your feet flat on the floor. Place your palms facing down beside your hips and grip the front of the seat. Move your body off the chair while gripping the seat. Knees should be slightly bent and your glutes should hover over the floor. Your arms should be fully extended, supporting your weight. Inhale and lower your body until your elbows form a 90-degree angle. Pause at the bottom, exhale,